Hello, welcome or welcome back. I know I was supposed to make this video a month and a half ago, but guys, I'm sorry. And I know you guys know that I'm really busy and I know that you guys understand. So thank you for bearing with me. But I know that boards are in a month and your favorite ex-study tuber is here to help you out. I got 99 in psychology, which means that you can get 100, and we are going to break down how you're going to make it happen, whether you're watching it right now when exams are in a month or if you're watching it at the beginning of 12th grade. The strategy is basically the same. It's just like divided over 12 months versus divided over like 12 days. To get into the full feels for this video, I actually took out my psychology book from 12th grade. इसकी हालत देखो, it's like photoing from every angle, but I was dedicated. Back when मेरा academic weapon era चल रहा था, जो अब unfortunately बहुत खत्म हो चुका है. So the thing about 12th grade CBSE psychology is that syllabus बहुत नहीं है, but also like बहुत है, because you don't have that many chapters, but each chapter is so long and there is so much detail. So how do you really like go about doing every chapter? Firstly, अगर अभी you're watching it when exams are actually in a month, तो एक तो figure out what are the longest chapters and what are the chapters with the most weightage in the actual paper. You can figure this out by asking a teacher. You can figure this out by looking at past year papers and देख के कि किस like chapter से ज़्यादा questions आते हैं. So if you're studying for the first time or even if you're doing like a first revision, understanding everything is really important. So you can do this in a lot of ways. You can do this by actually like paying attention in class if you have a good teacher who you can rely on, or if you use online resources. I remember kuch YouTube channels the that were actually like decently helpful to me for psychology, so I'll put them all in the description. Go through in channels ke YouTube videos and also read the textbook very thoroughly. As you can see, if there's one thing I did, it was read the textbook thoroughly. And मैं क्या करती थी, I would like reread it so many times. So as you can see, I have like pen marks and then highlighter marks. So these are from like different times that I'm revising the same thing. The problem is that sometimes you can like study psychology and understand it in the wrong way, and then you're just going about confidently thinking that what you're doing is correct, but it's actually not. So try to clarify 2-3 sources say that what you are understanding is actually what is being said in the book. एक psychology में बहुत सारे छोटे topics होंगे that you can find YouTube videos of. I think Crash Course Psychology is also really good. The YouTube channel is amazing for everything. So if you're trying to understand stuff, I think like that will give you a very good lens also. So you can also always Google stuff if you're having a little bit of doubt with figuring something out last minute. Another thing that will help you a lot in psychology is understanding the connections between different topics. So a lot of different topics are actually highly dependent on each other. The therapeutic procedures wala topic is काफी related to the first chapter. Like it's the different views of different psychologists and the different schools of thought. From that, different therapeutic approaches emerge. So if you put in that extra effort to understand what like the book is trying to say to you once, it'll really help you uske baad bhi. Getting down to the real meat of it, doing memorization. If you sit down to like memorize everything, वो तो नहीं होने वाला. It's literally impossible considering the amount of information that you have in psychology and how similar all of it sounds. The only way out of this is to read the book like it's a story again and again. Even on the exam day, when you have your book with everything that's important marked, all of the main key pointers marked, go through that. Make sure you go through the entire book from cover to cover, even on the day of your exam. And the next step after that is doing practice papers and doing questions. What that helps you with is being able to differentiate or discriminate, as you would say, between different theories, different approaches and all. Also try to do these like end wale questions because these are gonna really help you out. They kind of cover all of the important stuff, so ye kar lena for sure. Another thing that I've said for literally every single subject is that go through previous year toppers' answer sheets and look at how they have answered questions. This is again something you do towards the end when you're done with your preparation. I would also recommend that if you are at this stage where exams are in a month, don't go and make notes. Like please don't do that. If you do want notes for reference though, I was just going through my cupboard aaj and I found that I actually do have notes psychology के लिए. मैंने actually बहुत अच्छे से like break down किया है every single topic because that is in general how I understand things. So if you want something like this which has a very nice like short made description of everything, and I think I have it for most chapters. So I am gonna upload this on my Graphy website. I'm gonna upload psychology ke liye and any other subjects also that I find 12th mein. In fact, unrelated, but I have my pure what is this, IP Mat ke notes also. So like important questions, all kinds of formulas and everything. मैंने इतनी मेहनत करके बनाए थे. So I hope that you guys are able to put that मेहनत to use. I'm gonna put up like all of this on my website. I've broken down everything pretty damn well. Also, in case you're just starting 12th grade, you're in 11th grade, then I would highly recommend checking out my course. उसमें मैंने अपने literally सारे tips, tricks and strategies mention किए थे because I was actually using them at the time. I don't even remember most of them now. So why I think that masterclass is so important, because it really highlights the importance of having extracurriculars and having a life outside of academics. When you're going to college, you realize that academics was important, but all of this other stuff that I was doing, that has made me who I am. All of that is very important for development of your self-concept. And also then you have lots of stuff to add to your CV, which is very important to get internships and jobs in the future. So yeah, go get it, become an academic weapon, become that person who's able to do every single thing that they want to do without compromising anything. If you want to impress your examiner, make diagrams wherever possible. I'll tell you diagram kahan ban sakta hai. Like if you're gonna get a question on Freud and Freud ka pura theory, then make that id, ego, super ego wala diagram. We made that in my sociology ka NSEM abhi, because we were doing socialization and a part of that was Freud's theory. It was completely unnecessary, but you should totally make that. And also, it's not necessarily marks that are the goal, although I don't think like aiming for top scores is a bad thing. Like, why would you not want to do well on something that you've worked hard for? Ek aur tip, actively pay attention wherever you feel like two topics are way too similar. Well, group think, I think group polarization, I'm not sure, but basically jahan pe bhi ye do topics bahut similar lage, you have to pay a lot of attention there, because very highly likely that you'll get a question on it, and then if you have to write an answer, then it's either group polarization or group think. If you have thoda sa galat interpretation of what it is, then your entire like 5-mark answer is wrong. If you feel like concepts are similar, put in that extra time to understand what makes them different. So a little tip, not sure why I didn't do any of this in 12th, but use ChatGPT to your benefit. Open ChatGPT, put in your like chapter ka PDF and tell it to ask you questions. Agar do cheeze bahut similar lage, put it in there and ask it what is the difference. Explain it to me like I'm a 10-year-old. Thank you for watching. Wish you the best of luck for your board exams. I am manifesting that you do so well har paper mein. Of course you will if you're following all of these tips. Don't worry if you've done nothing or very little till now. Sab kuch ho jayega, hamesha ho jata hai. I will see you very soon. Bye.